What's up, everyone? It's your boy Quay from Pray for Traction. So as you can tell, I'm in the RX8, and just wanted to talk to you guys before I, get this video going along and let you know what's going on with how I came about this build and all of that. As you can tell, it came across fairly quick. That's because I bought this car, engine's already in it. A lot of stuff was done to it, but as with any car that you buy, you also got to fix a lot of the mistakes that the previous owner had made. So you can see in this first video that I'm going to show you, we're taking care of some of that. So as of right now, I got the car running and driving, and I've driven to the gas station and back, like a couple blocks away. That's it so far. But I can tell already from just a little bit of driving that I did, it's way different than the BRZ. I put a lot of money in BRZ. I've got that car to where it drives like a stock car, but just with a crazy amount of horsepower. Driving this car is much different, and you can tell the quality is just not there. But I did get this car to use it, to beat on it, do things that of course I'm not going to do to the BRZ since I've poured so much money into it. But anyway, let's get to the video. Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Quay from Pray for Traction. You guys remember Big D? This is Ricky. So what's up? All right, so we're working on the RX8 now, and what we're doing is we got to rewire this fuel pump because there is a fuse up under the dash over there that keeps blowing anytime that you get on it. So if you look, what they've done is there's a thick gauge wire, and they've black taped it into this smaller gauge. I just took these out so that I can have a look at the fuel pump, and it looks like it was very poorly done. So we're about to work on that. All right, so we're notching out the hood so we can get that to clear a little bit. The other hood from the car is notched. Me and Big D, we're about to tackle this. So what we're going to do now is, this plug right here was hacked to hell and back. So we're going to steal the one off of the parts car, and we're going to replace it with this one. So let's get to that and we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so now we're in this parts car RX8, and we're going to take off this panel for the fuel pump, and we're just going to see how it's done. At least they make it easily accessible.
Yeah.
For all you people that don't have an RX8, the seat just pretty much pops right out. Now this one looks much cooler. Okay, so I see they've got and these gauges are much thicker than the other ones. So all right, everyone, I'm going to introduce you to someone who's a little new to the channel. This right here is my buddy Sterling. Say what's up, guys. All right, so he's here helping me out with the car today. We're getting a little work done. So as you can see, we are messing with the wiring to the fuel pump. And at the moment, from the earlier videos that we shot, and we were telling you that we're getting the hood swapped out and everything. Currently what we're doing is we got to get the hood pins. We got to get them off of that other hood so that we can put them on this hood, so we're able to still get it closed. Got the bumper down here ready to go. I'll probably hit you guys with a little teaser photo of what this looks like before you actually see this video. But yeah, we're gonna get working on this and hopefully get it going, and stay tuned. This is the parts car, and as you can see, this connector is much nicer. So this is the one we're gonna move over to the turbo LS8. All right, so we got these bad boys. What you do with these is kind of like a butt connector, but it has solder in the middle of it. So then you take a cheap Harbor Freight heat gun, put some heat to it, and it solders the wires for you. So These things works pretty good if you want to give them a shot. All right, so we got the fuel plug from the Turbo LS into the parts car, and keep in mind this is a rotary, extremely unreliable, but we're still going to try to start it back up because I did have it running at one point, and this will tell us if everything got hooked up good back there. So if you can, fire that bad boy up. You might need to crank for a while, but hear anything? Oh, ah, look at that. She's running, baby. Hell yeah.
Sure you want to do it like this? In case you go one way or the other? We're going to do a 7,200 RPM neutral drop in this 50-speed automatic.
All right, everyone, so whenever you're doing fuel pump stuff, make sure that your plugs are right, because even though it's the same car, the plug on the fuel pump is different between the both of them, so we had to modify it just to make it work. So we're going to move the seat back, going to see if this thing will fire up now with the plug modification. So, sorry, the seats are slow and we needed them all the way up. Should be good enough at least. Not sure if I heard it or not, but here we go. Let's check for any leaks. Good job, Big D. Good job, man. All right, so now we got this put back together. We've modded the connector. Now it fits. As you can see, it fired up. And we got someone who showed up. Have a look at this fella. What's up?
What's going on?
Check out that stash. All right, so now we're currently working on the front bumper. Losing daylight, so we're trying to get it all buttoned up. After this, we have the trunk left, and we'll figure out what else we're doing. So we got the whole squad here. You got Ricky, got Sterling right here, Big D, and my boy Josh. And me. Does it have traction control? Okay, yeah, there it is. Traction control off.
Does not say anything on the dash.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Okay.
Traction off. All right, pull that bitch up there on the pad.
Somehow I get the feeling this is not a good idea.
All right, hold on. Go and check it out. No, do a neutral drop on this bitch. So like put it in neutral and hammer it with your foot on, left foot on the brake, and then pull it down into drive. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, here it goes. Keep going. Yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah!
For 1995, you can lift this motherfucker.
Yes! America! Fuck yeah!